Halala, halala, halala. I-train yasesipark seems to be winning. I-train yasesipark. Molweni, namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment. Guys, already sana ndiyathuka ku-Facebook, andazi ndenzeni. Listen, ndizondwa ngabantu, ndizondwa ngomakhelwane. Andazi ndenzeni kumakhelwane ke sisi. This comes after I reported on this beautiful pink Aura 5 car. Enikezwe uMakhwela there by GWM ke eShela. I think I already did mention that it's from Shelly Beach. Now, let me tell you something. This was a caption to GWM, sorry guys, said Aura 5 for number 5. She's not just a car, she is a personality, you guys. Now we remember we show guys Ndoba Udarumselegu and Umakhumalo. They actually did have a small clash when it comes to sponsorship zeimoto. Udarumselegu esithi Ndoba wena awundixeleli xa une partnerships ezinye, yeah, understand, and they were going back and forth ngalonto. I remember it trended and a lot of people, fans Khumalo, 100% believe that the reason as to why Usamke does not have a car, a sponsored car, is because Khumalo is against it. So, of course, once again, the topic is going to be Khumalo versus Makhwela. That is all I'm seeing there by the comment section. One person here is saying, as long as kungayona imali kaMakhwela, everything is okay. Khumalo finally agreed to let her in on the deal. Okay, let me take the last one. Someone says, guys, agiona yonke into enguMakhumalo. I also love her, but ningabe kanjena, you guys, just congratulate uMakhwela and move on ngeimpilo zenu. Now, the reason as to why I am saying i-train yasesipark is winning is because even uMacele recently showed us her brand new car. Nizokhumbula ke Mercedes yakhe yachayiswa ke ngulwandle when he was going to check out on Ukwezi. Same Kwezi that now the DNA results have come forward to share that Lwandle is actually not the father bafowethu. Yo kwaze kwakuningi. So ke ihamba kanjalo into kaMakhwela noMacele, they are 100% winning. Khona ke othe njengoba ke uMakhwela noMacele have received new cars, one thing they like about Udarumo Samselegu, he's most definitely going to tell us, the viewers of Othando Nesthembu, the reason as to why uMacele received a new car and why the sponsorship for uMakhwela. So yana ke bafowethu, there is the endeavors of the horror. Your thoughts and must engage in shortly. Bye guys.